Two dice are rolled together. Find the probability of getting. First question is a multiple of 2 on one and a multiple of 3 on the other die. Suppose this is dice 1 and this is dice 2. And suppose dice 1 on dice 1 multiple of 2 is coming, that means it may be 2, 4 or 6. Similarly simultaneously multiple of 3 will be on the other die, that means it will be equal to 2, that means it will be equal to 3, or 2 it will become 6. Similarly for 4 it will be equal to 4, 3, 4, 6 and 6, 3 and 6, 6. Reversely, we can tell that on dice 1 it will be multiple of 3, and on dice 2 it will be multiple of 2. Then we can write this as, suppose on dice 1 and it is dice 2, on dice 1 it is coming suppose multiple of 3, that means 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6. Similarly 6, 2, 6, multiple of 3 and dice 2 multiple of 2, 6, 4 and 6, 6 same is already we have got it. So the total number of favorable outcomes will be equal to 6 plus 5, that is 11, and the total number of outcomes will be equal to 36. We know that if we will for 2 die cases, if 2 die or 2 dices, the plural is die, 2 die if we rolled, then we will have 36 combinations. So probability of first case, the probability of a multiple on 2 and multiple of 2 on one die, on one dice, and a multiple of 3 on other dice will be equal to number of favorable outcomes. You should write number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is 11 divided by total number of outcomes is 36. So for the first one the answer will be 11 by 36. And the next bit is the product of two numbers. The product of two numbers on the top of the two dice is a perfect square number. Suppose on dice 1, this is dice 2, we will get 1 here. So for perfect it will be equal to 1, or it will be equal to, suppose 1 1 and 1 4, you should write. Similarly for 2 case we will have 2, 3 case we will have 3, 3 3 multiplied to a perfect square. 4 case may it will be equal to 4, or it will be equal to 1. Similarly for 5 it will be equal to 5. For 6 it will be equal to 6. Only for these combinations we will have the product which is a perfect square. So here the probability will be equal to number of favorable outcomes, which will be equal to 6 plus this 2 is equal to 6 plus 2, 8 number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes is 36, that is same as 2 by 9. This will be the answer.